mining and exploration constantly push into challenging and hazardous spaces. Deep stopes, narrow raises, and old workings untouched for decades. Understanding the status of these areas is critical for safety, planning, and resource recovery. Purpose-built drones are specifically engineered to navigate these confined, dusty, and often dark environments. Their collision-resilient design and multi-sensor stabilization allow them to operate where other technologies, and humans, cannot safely go. For safety assessment and reopening abandoned galleries, these drones are invaluable. They can explore old workings, raises, or stopes untouched for years before sending personnel in. This removes personnel from initial risk and allows teams to evaluate the area and plan for safe re-entry or alternative remote methods. In the realm of localization and structural mapping, drone mapping transforms resource analysis. They rapidly capture the necessary data to create accurate 3D models, enabling detailed visualization of both surface outcrops and subsurface geometries, which enhances structural interpretation, mineral targeting, and geotechnical assessments with unprecedented speed and precision. We don't just fly underground, we capture high-resolution data, process it into geo-referenced 3D models, and extract key structural information to feed directly into mine modeling, risk assessment, and development planning. Contact us to learn more about how we can transform your underground operations.